Hello, I'm going to show how to do weapon switching. I created a base gun and two child guns, AR4 and FP gun. On the base gun, I created the gun ID, and then I assign a gun ID to each gun. This is gun ID 1. This is gun ID 2. You can add as many guns as you want, just give it a unique gun ID. On FirstPersonCharacter, this blueprint here creates the initial gun, and this blueprint here switches between the guns when you press the letter G. Then this identifies what gun is currently selected. If 1 is selected, it uses this firing code for the projectile, and if 2 is selected, it uses this firing code for the AR4. Create a first-person blueprint template. I named mine Weapon Switching. Add the FPS Weapon Bundle to your project. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.23.0. Under Content, FPS Weapon Bundle, Weapons, Meshes, AR4. This AR4 skeleton is missing a muzzle, so double click AR4X. Highlight muzzle, right click, copy selected sockets. Then double click AR4 skeleton. Highlight muzzle flash, right click. Paste sockets. Now it has the muzzle. Save and close. To create BP base gun, right click, select blueprint class, select actor, and then name it BP_base gun. I'm going to delete this because I've already created it here. Double click BP base gun. Add the gun ID variable by pressing plus variable. Name it gun ID. Give it a variable type of integer. I'm going to show you how to create BP AR4 and BP FP gun. Right click, select blueprint class, select all classes, search for BP, select BP base gun, press select. I'm going to name this BP_demo gun. And I'll be using this as a demo. I'm going to show how to add the gun mesh to the AR4 and FP gun. I'll show you what those look like. You're going to be adding this here, and on FP gun you're going to be adding this here. I'm going to show you on BP demo gun. So open that up, then find the gun mesh that you want to open up. This is SK AR4 gun mesh. Drag that into the scene here, then compile and save. And I'll close this. I'll go back to here, and this is the demo. So this is what the demo looks like. double click BP FP gun, set gun ID to 1 and compile and save. Double click BP AR4, set gun ID to 2 and compile and save. Double click first person character. Go to the construction script tab. You'll see some code here. Delete all the code so that the only node remaining is construction script, and compile and save. Double click first person character. Add the variable gun holder by pressing the plus variable. Name it gun holder and give it a variable type of BP base gun, and then save that. Double click first person character. These blueprints are responsible for creating the gun. This creates the gun when you start the game, and this code here switches between the two guns. This is FP gun. Mesh TP you can drag out from here. Socket name is grip point. Location rule snap to target. Rotation rule snap to target. Skill rule snap to target. This is when you press the G on the keyboard. Gun holder you can drag out from here. This is the AR4. Mesh TPs from here again. And this is the same as the other one, grip point and snap to target here, here, and here. This is FP gun. And this is the same as the other ones. And save that when you're done. Double click first person character. In spawn projectile, I moved some of the nodes that were here, but everything else is the same code that was there. I added this code that selects the gun. So this is gun 1. It says 1 here. That selects the projectile gun firing code here. This is gun 2. That selects the AR4 firing code that I added here. This is first person fire montage. This is first person template weapon fire 02. This is P explosion. is muzzle and muzzle. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. This is the projectile gun. Now I'm going to press G and switch to the AR4. The explosion particle effect does not look very good for the muzzle flash, but it was the only one available, so that's why I was using it. Now I'll switch back. And I'll switch. And everything's working correctly.